If you want to do ECG on your Apple Watch, well, first of all, you will have to actually open All Apps screen and you will have to search for ECG application. If it is not available, then you can try to search for this one by going into the App Store and input ECG phrase. But if you will be not able to find it, it means that your Apple Watch doesn't actually support ECG measurements. So you will have to just open this application like so. You will have to remember to get good snug fit. So in my case, I will have to actually change it a little bit. There we go. You will have to put it above your wrist bone. So in my case, it's over here. So just like 1 centimeter above it. And now we have to simply hold our finger on the crown. We have to sit down, come down, and simply take a look on the screen and take a look for measurement. As you can see, it will take around 30 seconds until we'll get our result. And the final result with more details we'll be able to check on our iPhone in the Health application. There's also a short note that Apple Watch never checks for heart attacks. This is important information. On the left upper corner, you can already find your beat rate per minute and time remaining. There we go. Now, as you can see, that's how it looks. In my case, below we can also find a short note and we can add our symptoms if you are not feeling well. And that's basically everything. So I hope you find it useful.